In this video, I'll be reviewing how to do an A/B test for ad groups with city-specific keywords and making sure that the headlines are targeted to that specific city. This is a very straightforward A/B test, so it's a short video. Essentially, all that you'll need to do is go in and find the cities that you are trying to target. We want to focus on larger cities with a decent-sized population for your target area. So that's really going to vary wildly by location, but depending on the business, it will vary based on their location and the cities you are wanting to target. Essentially, all that you'll need to do is go in and find city-specific keywords that you're already using and move them to a specific ad group for each specific service that you're targeting. So, for example, if we have a lawn care company and they are advertising both mowing and mulching to, let's say, Franklin, Tennessee and Brentwood, Tennessee, you'll need to make a Franklin, Tennessee ad group that targets people who are looking for mowing in Franklin and people who are looking for mulching in Franklin. Then you need to do one for Brentwood. So basically, you'll need to create 4 ad groups. Each ad group will really only have a couple of keywords. For say a mowing ad group, you would only need to do, say, lawn care in Franklin, and then mowing in Franklin. And then for the ad group for Brentwood, you do mowing in Brentwood and then lawn care in Brentwood. Essentially, all you'll need to do is find your top performing keywords without locations and then add locations to them. So I'll show you an example of that inside Google Ads. So we're going to go ahead and go down to our keywords. Search keywords. So here we have a skydiving company. Here are our top performing keywords. We have skydiving near me and then skydiving near Chattanooga. So we already have a Chattanooga keyword. We would want to create another ad group that also goes after skydiving near Chattanooga. And then we could also do skydiving in Chattanooga near me to use this keyword as well. And then we would design our ad headlines to essentially have half the headlines saying some form or another of Chattanooga. So if we go to one of our ads, it doesn't need to be a completely new ad. You can copy and paste previous ad headlines that you've used in your other high performing ad campaigns, or even ad campaigns that haven't worked super well in the past. You can still go in and use the headlines that you've used in the past, but you'll just add on more location-specific terminology. So, for example, let's show a little bit more rows. So if we were to basically steal these headlines and move them into another ad, specifically targeting Chattanooga, we would basically say, instead of Nashville skydiving, obviously Chattanooga skydiving, learn to skydive in Chattanooga, skydiving near me in Chattanooga, Chattanooga's newest, safest aircraft. Essentially, you get the idea. You're making sure that the headlines all mention the specific location that your keywords are targeting. There will not be very many keywords in each one of these ad groups because you are being very precise in your targeting. You're not using any broad keywords in terms of just like skydiving. Every keyword inside each ad group will mention a location. So skydiving Chattanooga, skydiving near me in Chattanooga, and you can apply this to any industry. So it's a quick overview of how to create location-specific ad groups and make sure that those headlines are targeted to those specific locations. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.